Hi guys, Bruce here. Well, this cute little newer style Briggs with the push rods has come in, and again, it's a lawnmower that it starts and stalls. So let's just see what it does here. It's got oil. See if it fires at all. So anybody who fixes lawnmowers already knows what's wrong with it, I think. So there's a couple of things. It's got literally no hours on it at all. The blade looks brand new. I did get the broccoli out from underneath. This is sad. The cover's gone. I don't have one of these because they're the newer style. And we're going to put it up on the bench and see if we can get the carburetor clean. I'm pretty sure it's a dirty carburetor. Oh, 44, it's not that heavy. So now we can put the camera over here. And we can start taking stuff apart. This is my second plastic carburetor. I think it's an 8mm. It's usually 8 or 10, right? Ooh. I'm embarrassing myself now. Well, when you don't do something very often, should be one more. If I was designing it, there would be one more. So that's the new primers. Let's get this carburetor off of here. There we are. Okay, I'm just going to blow this off with the air. 7mm. That just doesn't seem right, eh? Okay. Carburetor kit. I've taken one of these off, but I've never taken one of these apart. And I'm sure our friends in the United States have had these carburetors around for a few years. Okay, so there's a jet right there. That's probably all there is to it. Yep. All I did was took my little plunger with the wire in it, and I went through this jet on the side here. I don't even know if there's more. That's it. Oh, they're simple. Uh-oh. It's got the old style fat Briggs needle valve. I think that's done. And put it back together. I never really paid attention to which side was which. That fits better that way than that way. Good. All right, well, I'm just going to reverse the procedure as people say, rinse and repeat. Lather, rinse and repeat. This way it should be blowing, and this way it shouldn't be. Perfect. Feels a little tight to me, but just gonna wipe my hands off, even though, so look at what the carburetor cleaner does to the gloves, right? Just putting it back together. I'll just turn you off. The carburetor just hooks up to the Z-bend and the fuel line, right? And it pushes onto the intake throat back there. And this just goes on front. I'm still trying to determine whether what size of nut driver to use here. So it looks like 7 and 8. Do the bigger ones first. Boy, I don't know. I'm not happy about this. And then 2 small ones. And the self-threading into the plastic. Don't use power tools to put this stuff in there, guys. You'll just wreck it. Perfect. So that's it. So I'm going to just clean it up a little bit, and we'll put some gas in it and do our thing. All right, it's not pretty, but it's holding the air filter on. It's just a few tie wraps there. I'm going to trim that one edge off down there. Cut them off close. Wah, wah, wah. Okay, let's see if this little guy starts. I got it cleaned up nice. Change the oil, clean the plug. The blade is practically brand new because it's only a few hours on the machine. Let's just take her down. See if she's gonna go. I'll give it 5, seeing how I emptied the carburetor right out. All right, take it back to my neighbor. That was cool.